Want to trick your brain into focusing without working harder? If staying focused feels like a battle, the Pomodoro technique might just be your secret weapon. It's a time management method that helps you work smarter, not harder. And it only takes 2 minutes to learn. All it takes is a tomato and a timer. The Pomodoro technique was created in the 1980s by Francesco Cirillo. He used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. Here's how it works. You break your work into 25-minute sessions called pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 pomodoros, you take a longer break, usually 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. Why does it work? Your brain loves deadlines, even fake ones. The magic of the Pomodoro technique is in its simplicity. By working in short bursts, your brain treats each session like a mini deadline. This boosts focus and reduces the urge to multitask. It also trains you to rest before you burn out, which actually improves your long-term productivity. It's a little psychological hack. In a typical workday, without a timer or a clear cutoff, we can lose focus by switching between tasks, checking our phones, or daydreaming. We end up feeling scattered, and tasks feel like they drag on forever. But when you know you have just 25 minutes to get something done, it's easier to zero in on the task and give it your full attention. That sense of urgency, without the stress of a looming deadline, helps reduce distractions and multitasking. How to start today? You don't need an app, just a timer. To try it yourself, all you need is a timer. Set it for 25 minutes and choose one task to focus on. When the timer ends, take a 5-minute break. Stretch, breathe, grab water. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. You can use any timer app or even a physical one. Keep it simple. Big goals get done 25 minutes at a time. The Pomodoro technique turns overwhelming tasks into manageable steps. It helps you stay focused, avoid burnout, and actually finish what you start. So if you're ready to level up your productivity, give it a try. Subscribe for more brain-friendly tips that help you work better, not harder.